We're over here in Caldwell. Someone's shooting off illegal fireworks over there.
No one really cares. Happens all the time. It's only if you start a fire.
They care. Don't believe that they don't care. We're waiting here for the fireworks to start here in Caldwell. This is Alberson College thing. So with that, these are Filipino families. My ex-wife was Filipino, and these two guys, my kids are Filipinos, half Filipinos. So.
Come over here. Howdy.
How's it going?
Good line up for me. Yeah. Shoot it on first. Well, you can watch this. Let's start. This one was never, you don't know this one.
So with that, I guess we're out.